Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the force fade option on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and if you want to enable the force fade, click to the hand icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here go to the second option, the force fade. If you want to enable, click to the next white circle icon, and if it will be turned dark blue, this function will be enabled, so you can edit the length of start, length of the end, shape fade method, or the drawing tool. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.